Are you looking for the top 5 best router bits, my honest reviews? I recently dove into the world of router bits, and let me tell you, the options can be overwhelming. I bought and personally tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money on subpar tools. In this review, I'll give you my honest take on the top 5 router bits that I believe are worth your investment. Let's get into it. Product number 1, Kowood router bit set of 15 pieces. My experience with the Kowood router bit set was nothing short of impressive. Right out of the box, I was greeted with a sturdy wooden case that instantly felt like it was built to last. Each bit was neatly organized, making it easy to find what I needed for my woodworking projects. I started with a simple tongue and groove project, and I was pleasantly surprised by how smoothly the bits cut through various types of wood, including MDF and plywood. The 1/4 inch shank provided a solid grip, and I noticed minimal vibration during use. This stability significantly improved my accuracy, allowing me to focus on the intricate details of my work. One standout feature for me was the clever anti-kickback design. It made the installation process straightforward, and I felt a lot safer while working. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the durable steel body is built to withstand heavy-duty use, something I put to the test over multiple projects. The bits are versatile and can handle a wide range of materials, which is a huge plus for someone like me who enjoys experimenting with different woods. However, I did encounter a minor drawback. The set does not include bits for cutting ferrous metals, so if you're planning to work with materials like steel, you'll need to look elsewhere. Now, why should you buy this set? If you're a beginner or even an intermediate woodworker looking for a reliable and versatile router bit set, the Kowood router bit set is a fantastic investment. For just $29.99, you're getting high-quality bits that not only perform well, but also come with a sturdy case for easy storage. Overall, I highly recommend this set for anyone looking to enhance their woodworking skills without breaking the bank. Product number 2, Sicwood 6 pieces straight router bit set. Using the Sicwood 6 pieces straight router bit set was a game changer for my woodworking tasks. I was particularly excited to dive into the various sizes, ranging from 1/4 to 3/4 inches. The carbide-tipped 2-flute design provided a smooth, plain finish that I've come to appreciate in my projects. I remember working on a dado joint for a bookshelf, and these bits made it feel effortless. The cutting height of 13/16 inches was perfect for my needs, and I felt confident tackling both soft and hardwoods without any issues. The bits fit seamlessly into my handheld router, and I loved how they delivered a clean cut with minimal tear out. Analyzing the pros and cons, I found that the smooth finish was one of the standout features, allowing me to skip some sanding steps. The premium C3 micrograin tungsten carbide blades really did live up to their reputation for durability and sharpness. However, one con I found was that while they worked great for wood, they struggled a bit with more abrasive materials. If you plan on using them for plywood or MDF, you're in good hands, but hardwoods might slow them down slightly. So, why should you consider the Sicwood set? Priced at just $16.99, it's an affordable option for beginners or hobbyists who want to explore various woodworking techniques without investing a fortune. The quality of the cuts and the range of sizes make it a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Product number 3. Bosch RBS015 MBS 15-piece router bit set. Let's talk about the Bosch RBS015 MBS 15-piece router bit set, which I found to be an excellent choice for anyone looking to expand their router bit collection. Upon opening the plastic storage case, I was immediately struck by the quality and variety of bits available. With a mix of sizes and shapes, it felt like I had everything I needed for multiple projects right at my fingertips. I put these bits to the test on both soft and hardwoods, and I was impressed with how well they handled each type. The micrograin carbide tip design ensured that my cuts were consistently smooth, which is crucial when you're aiming for professional-looking results. One of my favorite features is the anti-friction coating, which reduced the buildup of residue significantly. This meant less time cleaning the bits and more time working on my projects. Diving into the pros and cons, the durability of this set is a major plus. These bits can withstand a lot of wear and tear, making them suitable for both hobbyists and professionals alike. However, the price point of $94.99 might make it less accessible for beginners. If you're just starting, this might be a bit of a stretch compared to other options. So why should you buy the Bosch set?
If you're serious about woodworking and want a reliable, high-quality router bit set that can handle a variety of tasks, this is worth the investment. The precision and durability make it a standout choice, and it's definitely a set I'll be reaching for time and time again.
Product number 4. Bosch RBS030 MBS 30-piece router bit set. The Bosch RBS030 MBS 30-piece router bit set is a powerhouse of versatility and quality. When I first received the set, I was amazed by the sheer number of bits included. This set is perfect for anyone looking to tackle a wide range of woodworking projects. I decided to test it out with a project involving intricate edge profiling, and the results were impressive. Each bit cut through the wood effortlessly, and I appreciated the precision offered by the micrograin carbide tip design. This feature not only ensures a smooth finish, but also provides superior wear resistance, extending the life of the bits. The anti-friction coating was another highlight, as it minimized the residue buildup during long cutting sessions. After using these bits extensively, I can confidently list the pros. The variety of shapes and sizes means that you can tackle almost any project with this set. Additionally, they work well with both soft and hardwoods, making them incredibly versatile. On the downside, the weight of the case at 4.27 pounds felt a bit cumbersome when traveling to job sites. However, the organization and durability of the case were satisfactory. So why should you buy this set? Priced at $149.99, it's an investment. But for serious woodworkers who want a comprehensive set that can handle everything from simple to complex cuts, this is an excellent choice. The quality and performance speak for themselves, making it a staple in my workshop. Product number 5. Kowood router bit set of 35 pieces. Finally, I want to share my experience with the Kowood router bit set of 35 pieces. Right off the bat, I was impressed by the variety. This set covers almost every woodworking need imaginable. Whether I was trimming, edging, or grooving, these bits were up to the task, making them incredibly versatile for any DIY project. The C2 carbide material ensured clean and accurate cuts, which is essential when working on detailed projects. I used them on a range of materials and they performed excellently without any noticeable wear. One of the standout features for me was the compatibility with all major router brands, which is a huge plus if you already own a router. The aluminum carry case made it easy to transport and store, and I appreciated the convenience it offered. As for pros and cons, the price of $52.99 is quite reasonable for the number of bits you get, making it one of the most cost-effective options on the market. However, I did notice that some beginners might find the variety overwhelming if they are not sure which bits to use for specific tasks. So why should you buy this set? If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to cover all your woodworking projects, the Kowood 35-piece set is an incredible value. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers, offering quality and versatility in one package. I highly recommend it for anyone looking to elevate their woodworking game. To wrap things up, investing in the right router bits can make a world of difference in your woodworking projects. Each of these sets brings something unique to the table, whether it's versatility, durability, or precision. I hope my experiences help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Happy woodworking!